Hi, it's Rohan bin Dalwar, and we are gonna start our lesson in JavaScript. And for today's lesson, I decided to show you the commenting and the different data types we use in JavaScript. So first of all, before we start coding, we have to make a file. So in Visual Studio Code, so that we have a file that can run our JavaScript coding. So for that, create a new file. Let's name your file index.js. The JS in extension um, tell the compiler that it's a JavaScript file. Okay, so in here, first of all, we're gonna learn commenting. Okay, so in JavaScript we have two different kind of JavaScript. One is single line comment, another one is um, multiple line comment. Okay, so what's the difference between single line and multiple line? Okay, so single line is start with slash, two of them, so it indicates that it's a comment. Okay, so like this, and now the whole line is comment. Okay, for the multiple line commenting, we have to do something extra, is that slash slash, but inside of that we have to do two stars. So this line to this line is a commenting. It doesn't matter whatever we write between them. Okay, but there's a question, what's the difference between this and this? Is that if I just, let's say in here, I just click enter, if I write something else, it will show as a code, right? But in here, if we click enter, we type more, enter, we type more, enter, we type more, enter, we type more, still it will comment, it will take as a comment. So JavaScript says that it's a comment, you don't have to run this code, just you can skip it. So instead of here, we can just give it in here. You see, now the whole line is comment out. And yeah, so but it's a single line, so I want to comment it out with the /2 as a comment. So now we know difference between single line comment and multiple line comment, right? So single line comment, multiple line comment. Single line comment is /, and multiple line comment is like slash, star, then all the content, star, and then slash. Okay, now with the data type, in JavaScript we have 8 kind of data type. Okay, Control Z, 8 kind of data type. So I want to comment that out, so slash. You see, this is only a single line comment, but after that I want to use multiple line comment. So yeah, that's a multiple line comment. So let's start. 8 kind of data types. First of all is undefined. Undefined. What is undefined? Undefined is a variable that is still does not have any value. Okay, so we declared a variable. What is variable? We're gonna learn it next lesson. But now, if we declare any variable, if it does not have any value, it will show as undefined. Okay, then what is null? Null means nothing. So if there's nothing, it will show null. I mean, null is nothing. Okay, then we have Boolean. Boolean is basically true or false. Okay, so if we say true or false, we can answer only whenever we call Boolean, we can answer either true or false. We can't answer anything outside of this. Okay, then we have string. string, and string is always embedded with the double quotation mark. And we're gonna learn more about string in the next lesson, but for now I'm just focusing on the name. So string with the double quotation. Then we have BigInt, BigInt, then number. So BigInt is basically the number, but integer, bigger integer. Like sometimes we have an integer which is really big, so we use the BigInt then. And the number is like number, all the numbers we use in float, everything. And then last we have objects. We're gonna work with the object pretty much. So yeah, that's all the data types and 2 types of commenting. And that's it for today's lesson. Bye bye.